That both cars have their exhaust, I was wondering, what if I pair these cars up against each other and I see which car has the better cold start? The Audi RS3 inline 5 with the full straight back, or my Nismo 350Z with the Tomei wide catback. So let's see. To break it down for you, this car has downpipes, and it also has a catback from Tomei, and this car has the AZM exhaust, and again, it is downpipe all the way back. So let's see which one's going to sound better. I don't know. It's going to be up to you guys to decide.